This is the story of a little girl named Noor. One day, while exploring her grandfather's old library, she found a strange and ancient book. But it wasn't just any book. As soon as Noor opened it, a storm of light burst out from its pages, and everything changed. Noor began to float in the air, and in the very next moment, she had entered a world filled with magic. Fairies sparkled all around her. The trees shimmered with glowing light. I am her, Queen of the fairies, but I am trapped by the dark magic of an evil sorcerer. Only a pure heart can set me free. Noor said, I will help you. The castle. It was a fortress of shadows, where the sorcerer Zarak ruled, king of darkness. Zarak, you can't stop me, little girl, I'm not afraid of the dark. The light lives within all of us. And she meant every word. From her heart came a light so powerful, it shattered the magic. Thank you, Noor, you have proven that friendship, courage, and truth are the greatest magic of all. When Noor returned home, the old book was still in her hands, but now, she knew something more. Every child holds a hidden magic within.